Alright guys, here's the deal. A couple weeks ago, I posted a video, how to pond hop for bass. I'll put the link in the description if you want to watch it. But in that video, obviously, we were pond hopping, right? Me and my friends. And we found a gem of a spot. I mean, we were catching big bass, catching them consistently. And I'm at that spot right now. And it's just awesome. But the only problem is, there's really only one place you can fish from. Like, the whole rest of the pond is just surrounded by, like, trees and brush and stuff, and you just can't access any of it else. But across the way, we could see, it just looks so good. So what I figured I'd do today is I brought my waders, and I'm going to be wading out into the pond to see if I could catch some bass on the other side. There could potentially be some freaking big bass that just have never been fished for ever. They just eat and just get really fat. And we could catch them today. This might be a really good video. I'm going in. If I break off, actually I'm gonna, ooh, I have a pocket. Going in. Entering the water. Bro, if this thing leaks, I swear.
Hop in there. Hop on that hook.
Bro, I don't feel anything. I don't feel anything.
No way. And it's all the way up to your chest. You can go anywhere.
Bro, this is
Deep chest.
Oh my god.
Tom, stop being a bitch, okay?
No, you guys don't know. I can't do this.
Well, are you stuck?
Yes.
Yo, here.
Ready?
No! Oh shit. Yo, don't tell Noah how this went. Be like, no, it was perfect, bro. Yeah, tell Noah. Yeah, tell him it worked really well.
Alright.
Oh. Yeah, no way. There's no way. Alright, if you don't go, I'll go. I'm like...
You guys don't understand how scary this is.
No, yeah, this is actually really scary.
You guys are 10 feet out, we can save you your
No, you can't.
I know, I ain't jumping.
No, if you guys are on the...
Okay.
Near death.
Okay. Thanks. That was an accident. Oh, yeah. Now where am I supposed to catch, huh? Somewhere over there.
Get your own fucking waders, Kevin.
Yeah. You got all that over there. More fish over there. It's too shallow.
No, bro. Keep going, bro.
I'm not going.
Go, bro.
No, come on, go onward. Don't be a bitch. I already went.
I don't care. I can go again.
There's just some holes. You just sink right down. Alright guys, that was not a good idea. Probably wondering why I'm shirtless. May or may not have fallen in. My shirt is soaked, but that was a bad idea. I will will not be freaking wading in any pond ever again.